Hello friends, my name is Milind and welcome you all to our YouTube channel English Language Guruji. Today I came up with another unboxing video and this time I have purchased one t-shirt from Flipkart and today my child Raj is going to unbox this product. Actually this product, you can see the details of this product. You can say that here is the detail of this product. So without wasting any further time, then let's start it. So now my son is cutting the pocket. Take it down and you can look at this t-shirt. It is a Peter England t-shirt. You can see that it is a Peter England t-shirt and the cost of this t-shirt is quoted here. Just wait. The cost of this is 800 rupees, but actually I got it just for 300 rupees. So let me open it. Not with the scissors. And you can see the t-shirt. You can look at the quality of this t-shirt is very good. Actually it is not a cotton band actually, but it is a poly cotton band and it looks good, and the size is 42 inch. So I will upload my photo when I actually wear this t-shirt. Hello friends, you can look at this t-shirt. I have just wore this t-shirt and you can see it fits well on my body and it looks stretchy on me, if you say. I'll show you the back side also. You can see. And it's a nice fitting. And I'll just show you this also. So it suits very beautiful, nice. I really like this t-shirt. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get the notification of my every video, and please like it and share to your friends. Thank you very much.